Hello and welcome back to the How to Geek Studios. Grizz here, and today we've got a little something special in store, and I do mean little. From JLab, we've got a set of JBuds Mini earbuds. JLab touts this set of earbuds as its smallest ever, weighing in at a whopping 3.14 grams compared to Apple AirPods 4.28 grams. That's big time little. Let's dive right into this mini marvel. An easy slide of the box cover reveals the JBuds Mini case neatly nestled inside. I'll pull out the case and explore the rest of the contents first. Also secured to the packaging is a handy keyring, helpful to keep these little guys from getting away from you. And inside the fold, we've got a quick start guide with warranty. These ultra-compact earbuds are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable and seamless connection. And they're capable of connecting to multiple devices at once, which is pretty handy. A USB-C charging cable, and a couple extra sets of silicone gel tips for the earbuds. Now let's take a look at the JBuds Mini. It's a little tricky to open in my hands, but it does seem secure with its magnetic latch, so you won't spill these little guys out accidentally. I like the matte finish on both the case and the earbuds themselves. And man, these earbuds are tiny. The battery offers 5.5 hours of playtime in each earbud, or 20 total with the charging case. And if you download the JLab app, you can customize the touch controls and EQ settings of your buds. And with their IP55 rating, they're sweat and water resistant, making them perfect for workouts and on-the-go adventures. Alright folks, that's JLab's JBuds Mini unboxed. To find out how they sound and whether or not these little earbuds can run with the big dogs, check out our full review. And don't forget to sign up for our newsletter for more box openings and in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing adventure. For How to Geek, this is Grizz signing off.